As we understand it, our staff were here to open, and while doing the morning routine, they reported smelling smoke, and upon smelling smoke, they did all the procedures related to the suspect of a fire, and then they evacuated the building and all the relevant authorities were contacted. We're here just after everything has been contained, so that is currently being investigated. We don't have any numbers or any additional information right now where we could quantify what the losses are. What I can say is that all Krispy Kreme outlets will be closed until further notice. We are currently investigating. We do not have information yet as to what caused the fire. As soon as we have that information, we'll be better able to share what the investigation revealed. Unfortunately, Krispy Kreme will not be available. We know that we have consumers that will miss us for the time being, but we want to make sure that everything is okay, that it's a safe environment for everyone to return to both work and as customers. In terms of the staff who opened the store, after everything has been contained, we want to make sure that everything is fine. So we have carried the person to get checked out medically, just to make sure everything is fine. It is important that we make sure our staff is fine and safe.